131, he said hello right back, 131. Hey, 131, he said hello right back to you too there. Take it, 131, Mod Squad Mobile, 131, Mod Squad Mobile, Honolulu.
Sorry, Mod Squad Mobile.
Hey, SwitchBlade, you said tell him watch out. You said tell him watch out, SwitchBlade. Hey, SwitchBlade, you said tell him watch out. I heard BlackJesus when you guys let go. Hello, BlackJesus in the BAM. Take care. Mod Squad Honolulu. Mod Squad Honolulu. Check in. Come on down. Okay, BlackJesus, you take care, man. I heard all three of you right there. I heard all three of you. You guys have a good one. Take care, 131. You said I'm got it down on your end there. 131, I'm cruising the low side. I'm a full pill in Honolulu. Take care there, 131. Take care, BlackJesus. Hello, SwitchBlade. Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu. Right back. I see it now. And you did that too there, 131, you sure did. 131, you sure did. Hello, 131, Mod Squad. Hello, 131, Mod Squad, Mobile, read the mail. Bye, 131, bye, 131, bye, BlackJesus. You guys take care as Mod Squad passing through. Mod Squad Mobile, Honolulu, back on the mail. You walked on through, 131, you walked on through. Hello, 131, 131, you said you walked on through, right there, 131, aloha. Bye, 131, you smoking, man. Take it, 131, 131, Mod Squad, Honolulu. Hello, 131, Mod Squad, Honolulu, copy the mail. Bye, Blade, bye, SwitchBlade. You too, SwitchBlade. Take it, SwitchBlade. You walking them right there, SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Honolulu. Got it all. I heard you talking to Scandal, man. You walked up in my radio. Hello, SwitchBlade. SwitchBlade, take care, man. Tell Scandal we said have a good night also. Take care, SwitchBlade. Mod Squad, Mobile, check in. Mod Squad, Honolulu. Hey, SwitchBlade, you ain't pushing your luck because you got it going on right there, SwitchBlade. Hey, SwitchBlade, you walking downtown Honolulu? Hello, SwitchBlade. Mod Squad said you walking downtown Honolulu. I'm reading the mail. Right there, SwitchBlade. Look at that, SwitchBlade. Look what you did. Look what you did. Hey, SwitchBlade, look what you did. Downtown Honolulu. SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, in the mobile. Check in. Aloha. Bye, SwitchBlade. Bye, SwitchBlade. I heard BrickLayer too, man. I heard BrickLayer a little bit too there. Take it, BrickLayer. BrickLayer, you have a good one too there. Hello, SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Honolulu. Right back, right there, SwitchBlade. You're doing your thing right here in Honolulu too there, SwitchBlade. Take it, SwitchBlade. Mod Squad say you got it going on right there. Hello, SwitchBlade. Mod Squad. Mobile. Check back around Honolulu. You working that glass tube driver, man. Hey, SwitchBlade, while you working that glass tube driver, man, I copy your mail while you do your thing. Take care, SwitchBlade and the Good Time Gang from ModSquad, Honolulu. Right there, SwitchBlade. SwitchBlade, man, I have to talk to my radio, man. I have to talk to my radio, man. Hello, SwitchBlade. SwitchBlade, ModSquad said, I'm looking at you right now. Aloha. Right back, SwitchBlade. That's the way we do it with little watts. We do it with little watts because we got a good setup. We don't need any watts. We just got the good setup to play with little watts in Honolulu. Hello, SwitchBlade with little watts coming out of the Mobile. ModSquad, Honolulu. Right back with you. Aloha.
Small box, little watts, small box, little watts, small box. Good, big technology. Working a whole lot of good, big technology. Take care, ModSquad, SwitchBlade.
Right back, SwitchBlade with a whole lot of big technology. You got the technology going on right there. I got the technology going on in this little car in Honolulu. You know, when you got the technology, you don't need a big box, man. Hello, SwitchBlade, ModSquad in Honolulu. Right back with the little car. Aloha. Hey, SwitchBlade, you don't have to wipe them out. All you got to do is ride their back. You don't have to wipe them out. All you do is ride their back. Every day you ride their back, and they keep wondering why you're riding their back. ModSquad, Honolulu, read the mail. Contact, SwitchBlade. You got it going on, man. I've been talking to you for 15 minutes already. Hey, SwitchBlade, you've been holding your own for 15 minutes. Take it, SwitchBlade, ModSquad, Honolulu. SwitchBlade, ModSquad, Honolulu said, yeah, like I say, man, if you get on a computer, you can see the damage you do there. Hey, SwitchBlade, you can see the damage you do on YouTube there, ModSquad, Honolulu. Read the mail. Right back, SwitchBlade, right back, I understand, hey, SwitchBlade, I like to do it for everybody. Hey, SwitchBlade, I like to make the VideoGates for everybody, man, so they can hear what's going on. Take it, SwitchBlade, ModSquad, Honolulu. Hey, SwitchBlade, you got that thing down in my radio, ModSquad, Mobile, read the mail. Right back, SwitchBlade. Okay, man. Yeah, I think I hear a noisemaker, man. I think I hear a bit of noisemaker in there. You know, noisemaker be a tough guy too, man. Take it, SwitchBlade, ModSquad, Honolulu. Noisemaker, if you got a copy, I think I hear you out there also. Take care, SwitchBlade, ModSquad, Honolulu.
Yeah, ModSquad.